We are living a parent's worst nightmare.
They are financing and prescribing dangerous hormonal drugs and prescription narcotics to a minor without his mother's knowledge.
The adult transsexual community trying to intervene in the destinies of children who aren't even their own.
The parent isn't part of the solution. They are part of the problem.
I no longer have say in my daughter's medical care, anything. I have no access to her records, and that essentially the state is now taking over the medical care of my daughter.
Justice Francesca Mazzari convicted Rob of family violence for using female pronouns. To make sure Rob didn't refer to his daughter as a girl again, Mazzari signed a protection order authorising the police to immediately arrest Rob without warrant if he was caught referring to his daughter as a girl or with female pronouns.
Dr. Wallace Wong was brought on by the high school. He comes out at the end with his assessment and says, your daughter is a boy, but a gay boy. I wasn't able to prevent my daughter from receiving cross-sex hormones, and her life is irreversibly changed forever.
He said, Mommy tells me I'm a girl.
You're a boy, right?
No, I'm a girl.
Who told you you're a girl?
Mommy.
And I sent her a text and said, are you actually telling James that he's a girl? And she's just replied simply, yes. I consider this to be child abuse and the sexual mutilation of children on an industrial scale.
My ex-wife filed a motion to the court to limit my access to James if I don't affirm that he's a girl, to force me to use female pronouns and his fake girl's name. The burden of proof is on me to prove my son's actually a boy.
This is my son, Miles, approximately 4 years old, under the care of his mother, who has been treating him as a girl since the age of 3.
A gender, childhood gender and sexuality counselor has been convincing my 7, 8, 9, 10-year-old autistic son that he's a transgender lesbian. You take a young child and you just start calling them by their new name, kind of like a cult would do, right? A cult renames you and shaves your head or whatever they do to kind of initiate you. So they're indoctrinating your child with the worst possible worldview and ideology and character shaping and identity shaping gaslighting propaganda you could ever try to conceive. They will wrestle your right to stop your child from wrecking their life before they even know what they're doing to themselves.
How realistic is it to believe that a 14 or 15-year-old or 16-year-old has really the capacity to make that kind of decision for him or herself